For the last year, most of the domestic pharma and biotech stocks that have been, they've been dead money, right? Investors are paralyzed by fears of lawsuits. Oh, tell me about it. The potential for new legislation that might crack down on drug pricing. In fact, it's been going on even longer than that. Over the past 4 years, the whole group is measured by the IBB, iShares, NASDAQ, Biotech ETF, and the Invesco Dynamics Pharma ETF. Can you believe this is what they've created, and this all does matter? Well, it's been hammered. Biotech down 4%, pharma down 19%. Well, the S&P 500 is up 53% over the same period. I run a charitable trust, ActionAlertsPlus.com. We try to be diversified, but every time we try to do pharma, it's been terrible. So what should you do? What should you do? Should you completely abandon the drug stocks? Get your healthcare exposure from less precarious parts of the sector? I mean, like the medical device makers, they're doing better. No. You don't need to give up on the whole complex, right? But you do need to get more selective and more creative with these stocks. For example, last Friday, I told you to keep an eye on AbbVie. I said I liked it because of its process of acquiring Allergan. I'm betting that deal has a lot of potential. Did you notice that AbbVie was up more than 3% this week, thanks to a fresh upgrade from Citi yesterday, and it was a really good piece. And now I've got another way to approach this group because I've been mulling over them with Ben Stoto, mulling over. I said, I got to find a way to give people farm exposure with less risk. If the domestic drug stocks aren't working, how about this? How about the foreign drug stocks? As it turns out, many of the foreign pharmaceutical names are performing a lot better than domestic peers. The three that jump out at me that we're going to talk about right now are AstraZeneca, GlaxoSmithKline, and Novartis. Now, I think some of that may be because they have moderately less U.S. exposure than their American counterparts. So something like a Medicare for all or even price controls on drugs would hurt them a little less. I'm not saying they have no exposure, but I'm not saying they have more exposure. It's just a little better. But when it comes to these three companies in particular, they've each got something going for them right now that allows them to throw off the gravitational pull of the pharmaceutical sector and allows them to rally.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.